Good morning. First of all, thank you for being here to get us started. Could you tell me about yourself and what make you the perfect candidate for this job?
Good morning. Sure thing. Well, first of all, thanks for having me today. To give you the highlight reel of my career, I've spent the last 5 years in account management, mostly helping clients bridge the gap between their problems and our solution. I've always been a bit of a people person, so I naturally gravitated toward roles where building trust is the main goal. At my last company, I managed about 25 accounts and actually managed to hit 95% recession rate last year. I think what makes me a great fit for your team is that I don't just sell a product, I treat my client goals as my own. I saw that your company value proactive partnership, and that's exactly how I've built my career.
That's great. Now, being self-aware is important in this job. So what is your greatest and weakness?
That's a great question. If I'm being completely honest, I used to have a hard time saying no to client because I want them to be happy. I'd sometimes overpromise on a timeline that was a bit too tight for my internal team. I realized that I being a yes man actually hard trust if you early deliver. So if so I've been working on being more transparent. Now I tell clients I can do it by Tuesday, but I can give you a high quality version by Thursday. It felt awkward at first, but I found that clients actually respect the honestly more, and my internal team definitely appreciate.
That's good. Looking at your career path, why are you leaving your current job?
That's a fair question. To be honest, I really enjoy my time there. And I'm proud of what achieved with my team. But after a while, I realized that I had reached a bit of a ceiling in terms of what I could learn and the types of account I was handling. I'm someone who thrives when I'm slightly out of my comfort zone, and lately the role has become a bit too routine for me. I felt it was the right time to move on while I still have all this energy and drive to build something new rather than just staying in autopilot.
I see. And just to follow up on that, why exactly do you want to change your job at this point in your career?
You know, it's not just about leaving my current role, but more about where I'm going next. I've been keeping an eye on how your company handles relation, and I've always been impressed by your reputation company. I'm looking to transition into a more dynamic and creative environment, and I've seen how your team tackles unique client challenge with fresh strategy, and I'm eager to bring my account management experience to such a fast-paced setting.
Okay, unders I understood. Leslie, looking at the gap in your CV, what have you been doing since your last job?
Um, I've actually been keeping myself quite busy. Aside from taking a short and much needed break to recharge, I've been focusing on professional growth. I recently finished a course on advanced CRM analytics because I wanted to get better at using data to predict client needs. I've also been doing some networking within the industry to stay on top of the latest trend. It's been a great period of growth, but honestly, I miss the hustle of managing accounts. I'm really eager to dive back in and start building those relationships again.
Okay, thank you for sharing. That's all the question I have for today. We'll be in touch soon about the next step. Thank you for your time.
Yes, thank you, sir.